I am continuing the previous video, that is previous topic. Now we are in expenses, losses account, examples. Salaries paid, the expenses, wages paid, electricity bill paid, telephone bill paid, advertisements paid, audit fees paid to auditor for checking of our books of accounts, audit fees paid, interest paid, commission paid, rent paid, comes under this head. Beside this, purchases, it is purchase of goods, and purchases returns, goods returned to suppliers, termed as purchases returns. Purchases returns comes in purchases comes in expenses. So purchases and purchase returns comes under what? Comes under expenses losses account. Purchase returns comes in purchases, it reduces purchases. Purchases comes in expenses. Now losses. Depreciation, a reduction in value of fixed asset is called depreciation. Depreciation is a loss for the business. That loss is also taken into consideration at time of calculating the profit or loss of the business. Depreciation is a loss. Bad debts, irrecoverable amount from the customers, comes under loss. It is that loss comes under this head. Discount allowed, discount allowed to customers also comes under this head. Loss due to theft, loss due to fire, loss on sale of any asset, comes under what? Comes under this head. Now I am moving to last one. It is fifth one. Incomes bracket revenues, means incomes is also known as revenues. Gains accounts, incomes. What is income? Earning of money resulting from the operations. Gain means rare income. Incomes gains always shows credit balance. These credit balances are shown on the credit side of trading and profit and loss account. That is showing on credit side. Examples: sales. Sales comes under the income. Sale of goods. Sales returns comes in sales. Sales comes in income. Sales returns comes in sales. It reduces sales. Sales comes under income. Now, rent received is income. Commission received. Interest received. Bad debts recovered. Irrecoverable amount. Luckily we collected. Is a gain. Appreciation of asset. The value of asset is increased. How much it increased? It is appreciation. That appreciation of asset comes under gain. Gain comes under this head. Discount received is income. Discount received. Income. This income comes under this head, income gains account. So my dear students, I am concluding this topic. In next video, I am going to explain the rules of double entry system under modern approach. Thank you.